The Chrysler Pacifica's Stow-n-Go seating allows your second and third row seats to fold completely into the underfloor storage bins, giving you plenty of space for whatever you need, and it's easy enough for the kids to do. First, slide the front row seats forward and out of the way. Next, unlock the floor panels by pushing the red bar in. Pull up on the latch and push the floorboard against the back of the seat, revealing the storage compartments below. Make sure the armrests are upright, pull the handle towards you, and the second row seats will fold down right into the floor. Just give it a firm push down, and then pull the floorboard back down. To bring the seat back up again, simply open the floorboard latch, pull the seat handle up, and push the seat back firmly until it locks into place. Removing the back seats is just as easy. First, make sure to lower the headrest. You'll notice 3 handles along each back seat, one at the top and bottom, and a longer one in the middle. Pull on the shorter handle at the bottom, and use your other hand to help the seat flip down. Again, pull the handle and flip the seat back and down. To put them back up again, grab the handle, push the seat up, and pull the longer handle back, locking the backrest in place. Now you can take full advantage of this deluxe minivan's cargo space on each and every drive.